Benefits of turmeric water at night. The golden-hued spice turmeric has long been a mainstay in Asian cooking. It provides a variety of health advantages in addition to giving the food a distinctive flavor and color. Turmeric water is one of the most widely used forms of this spice. Increasingly popular among health enthusiasts throughout the world is this straightforward yet potent beverage. So let's dive in and learn more about turmeric water's benefits. What is turmeric water? Making turmeric water is as easy as adding water to turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root. The turmeric's medicinal ingredients are absorbed by the water, giving it a gorgeous golden color. 1. Boosts immune system. Endotoxins, which are abundant in turmeric, help to boost the immune system. It lowers the likelihood of common illnesses, like colds and the flu, by assisting the body in warding off microorganisms. Increasing your consumption of turmeric water during the winter can aid in protecting against common viruses. Due to the components in it that boost immune response and encourage collagen formation, it supports healthy skin. 2. Weight loss. A fantastic complement to any weight loss plan is turmeric water. It promotes fat burning and metabolism, which results in weight loss. It is advantageous for removing toxins from the body as well. 3. It improves your mood. Before going to bed, try drinking some turmeric water to improve your mood. By lowering inflammation, boosting memory and cognitive function, and encouraging the development of new brain cells, it can enhance brain function. Additionally, it can improve sleep quality, act as a natural antidepressant, and lessen anxiety and depression by encouraging the release of serotonin and dopamine. 4. Antioxidant-rich. The antioxidant benefits of turmeric and its main component, curcumin, are well established. Antioxidants aid in defending the body against harm from free radicals and unstable chemicals that can result in oxidative stress and cause a number of chronic diseases. 5. Potential anti-cancer properties. Numerous studies indicate that curcumin suppresses cellular growth and triggers vital cancer cell death and mitotic pathways. Multiple cancer types have proved that curcumin is an effective clinical preventive and therapeutic, including breast cancer, colorectal cancer, pancreatic cancer, and prostate cancer. 6. Regulate blood sugar levels. Curcumin, a component in turmeric, may help in the management of diabetes. According to studies, it can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 7. Can support liver function. Turmeric includes substances known as curcuminoids, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective characteristics. By neutralizing free radicals, lowering inflammation, and encouraging the regeneration of injured liver cells, curcuminoids can improve liver health. 8. Promote healthy skin. Due to its components that improve immunological response and increase collagen formation, drinking turmeric water at night strengthens the immune system and encourages healthy skin. By consuming turmeric water at night, you can increase collagen formation, battle acne and skin infections, and look younger and more radiant. 9. Protect from arthritis. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities can be especially beneficial for arthritis sufferers. This covers both inflammatory and degenerative arthritis. By promoting the generation of adult stem cells and relaxing the smooth muscles in the penis, drinking turmeric water at night may help treat erectile dysfunction. Numerous health advantages can be obtained from drinking turmeric water at night, but before beginning any new health routine, it is advisable to speak with your doctor if you are taking medication or have a medical condition. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.